Z-axis up and down over the table 2. Only to watch, it gets very close in the back here. Stop it here one time, you're by 100. Drive up. DMU50 Evolution built 2000, Mill-Plus control 18,000 RPM, Mill-Plus with G7, full 5-axis simultaneous cutting, and it's pre-owned 50 Evolution 2000. We have a couple of them in stock all time, and it's you can see that now we are by 100 to 120, about 30 mics, approximately 30 mics. Same like when the table was in the flat position with the Y-axis to the front, so about approximately 30 microns. Okay, thank you very much. Europeanmachinetool.com.